We keep him locked in the backyard when we have visitors. He takes them up to their rooms. Both rooms are at the front of the house. Each room also has an ensuite bathroom with a shower. If you want to go for a walk before dinner, the beach is not far from here. If you go down the path between the house and the barn, you'll arrive at the sea in 20 minutes. It would be nice to go for a walk. My legs are stiff after the journey from Leeds. He looks up from the newspaper that he is reading when Sally eventually comes down the stairs. Are you sure that you'll be warm enough? "12 years ago, he became a detective inspector, and 2 years later her mother left him because he was never at home. They sit on the settee and look around at the pictures on the walls. When he is on holiday, he never tells people that he is a policeman. Is this actually a farm, or do you just have the bed and breakfast business? After a few minutes, they arrive in the yard of a small farm. A man dressed in old jeans and a dirty blue shirt stands in the doorway. How was your journey here? There are 2 large settees, a television, a dining table with 6 chairs. She wipes her hands on a towel before she shakes their hands. I hope you like meat and potato pie. She goes back into the kitchen, and Mr. Larkin follows her. What job do you do, Mr. Rush? I would like to enjoy the view. It's so beautiful. We have a few hours yet. We must arrive in time for the evening meal, though. You really are very lucky to have me with you. I'm sorry that I always seem to be so busy. It makes the time that we do spend together really special. Do you know why it's called Leeds Castle? Sometimes I think that you know everything. Sally looks at her father. He is 47 years old, but he looks younger. They used to do Aikido together, but now her father practices yoga.